Hello, this is Tony. I'll be demonstrating my code and my circuit for the flash responder robot for this week's project. So here's my code. And then my circuit, I have the four motors that drive my wheels. I have my drum motor, which deploys my wattles for the oil. I have my distance sensor that controls the wheels and to tell how much, if there's a wall in front of them. I have my photoresistor, which will be a camera in real life to detect oil. Then I have this LED, which would act as an antenna to alert personnel to the oil spill. I have this servo motor to turn the front wheels. And then I have three batteries powering all of it, and of course the Arduino and the breadboard. So when my circuit is running or my code is running, whenever this distance sensor is at a value greater than 10 inches, or aka it doesn't sense a wall within 10 inches, which is this portion of the code. It'll drive all four motors full speed forward, and it'll also keep the servo motor at a zero position or straight, and it'll just drive straight. If my distance sensor that senses a wall within 10 inches, which all of this is projected down here on serial monitor. I have the photoresistor value and the distance value. It will decrease all the motors at half speed, which for some reason the left half motor is not, even though it's coded and wired the same as the other three, it's not working as intended. But then also, if it does, since a wall within 10 inches, it'll turn the servo motor a little bit to the left to avoid that wall. Then if it goes above 10, it'll return to full speed for all four and go straight again. Then I have a photoresistor, which main purpose is to detect oil. So whenever it's at a value less than 450, it'll act as its detected oil. So 425, it'll turn on this drum motor here, which will deploy the wattles to contain the oil spill. It'll turn on this LED, and it'll turn the servo motor. So that way it'll drive in a circle to contain the oil. Then when it no longer detects oil or the value is greater than 450, 607, it will turn off the drum motor. The LED will stay on. It can only be manually turned off on that robot itself by the appropriate authorities. And that's just so that it won't turn off until people arrive to the scene to actually deal with it properly. And then the servo motor will go back straight as well. Then, unfortunately, the code always starts in dark, so it automatically will turn on the LED as you see here. And that'll be this portion of the code. Then that is my code for the flash responder robot.